If Telegram is telling you that your login code was sent to another device and you can't access it, don't panic. This happens because Telegram always prioritizes sending login codes to devices where you're already logged in. So the first thing you should do is check any device where you might still be signed in. That could be an old phone you haven't used in a while, a tablet, a laptop, or even a work computer. If Telegram is active there, the login code will usually appear instantly in your chat as a message from Telegram, or you may see a notification pop up. If you realize you no longer have access to any of your other devices, don't worry. After a short delay, Telegram normally gives you another option on the login screen, an option to send the code via SMS. This doesn't appear right away, but after waiting a minute or two, the send via SMS button should show up. When it does, tap it and the code will be sent directly to your phone number so you can continue logging in normally. If the SMS option still isn't appearing or you're pressing it and nothing happens, you have a few troubleshooting steps you can try. One simple method is to uninstall the Telegram app and then reinstall it. Doing this refreshes the login flow, which often triggers the SMS or call verification options much faster. Another method is installing Telegram X, which is an official alternative version of the app. In many cases, Telegram X presents the SMS or call option right away, even when the main Telegram app is being stubborn. If none of these steps work and you truly don't have access to any device where Telegram is still logged in, the last option is to wait a little longer. Sometimes the system just needs extra time before it gives you a different verification method. And if you've already waited and still can't get in, you can contact Telegram support. They can help verify your account manually, although response times vary.